to prepare hydrating and moisturizing hair mask with argan oil and castor oil. Castor oil works well with argan oil, and both have similar benefits. Castor oil helps condition the hair and repairs hair damage. It prevents split ends and hair loss. It also helps prevent dandruff. Since both oils are conditioners, this is an excellent hydrating mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of argan oil, and 50 to 100 milliliters of coconut milk, depending on the length and thickness of your hair, well in a container, and apply the mask thoroughly to your hair and scalp. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning with shampoo. Precautions and concerns. Since castor oil can cause stains, it's best to wear an old t-shirt, or any item of clothing you don't mind staining, when using castor oil on your hair. Castor oil can also stain towels, so make sure that your hair is thoroughly washed prior to towel drying. Keep in mind that your hair may require 2 applications of shampoo in order to completely remove the castor oil. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.